In this video, I show you how to fix confirm your identity on Facebook. For doing this, open Facebook app. Now tap on three line, scroll down. Now tap on setting and privacy. Now tap on settings. Now tap on account center. Now tap on personal details. Now tap on identity confirmation. Now confirm your identity. Now tap on running ads about socialist. Now tap on select. Now enter your country. Now tap on next. Yes, continue. Personal identity ID or document. Now upload your ID. Tap on next. You can upload passport, driving license or national ID, marriage certificate, birth certificate. I have national ID card. Next. Now get started. Allow. Now enter your ID card here. Now tap on submit. Now I hope that you confirm your identity on Facebook.